If you're interested in the tech industry or a developer looking to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you. We'll be discussing the top 5 programming languages in demand for 2023. Understanding which languages are in high demand can be valuable information for anyone looking to enter or advance in the tech industry. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. Number 5. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that has gained popularity in recent years due to its speed, safety, and ability to handle modern-day demands like multi-threading and concurrency. In 2023, Rust continues to see growing demand as more companies look to adopt it for their low-level systems programming needs. Number 4. Swift. Swift is a relatively new language that has quickly gained popularity, particularly among iOS developers. Its speed and ease of use make it a top choice for developing mobile applications. In 2023, the demand for Swift continues to grow as more and more companies look to develop mobile applications for the iOS platform. Number 3. JavaScript. JavaScript has evolved from a simple language used to create dynamic web pages to a versatile language used to develop full-stack applications. In 2023, the demand for JavaScript remains high, with its popularity driven by the growth of the web and the increasing use of JavaScript for front-end development. Number 2. Java. Java is a widely used language that is particularly popular in the enterprise sector. Its reliability, security, and ability to run on any device make it a popular choice for developing large-scale applications. In 2023, Java continues to be a top language, with a growing demand for its use in developing mobile applications. Number 1. Python. With its simple syntax and versatility, Python has become the go-to language for many industries, including finance, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. In 2023, Python remains a top language, with increasing demand for its use in machine learning and data science. And that brings us to the end of our list of the top 5 in-demand programming languages of 2023. As technology continues to evolve, it's important to stay updated on the latest trends and developments in programming languages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your journey in the tech industry. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.